GC. So GC potentially, I've got this 1 2 1 2 and we're coming down again. We need to take this low out here at 1192 and head down to 1183.6 next for that to prove to be valid. But if I just zoom this back out slightly to the 4-hour chart, you can see we've effectively gone since here sideways, and this can all be part of a, this can be the A of 4, this can all be part of a B, and then we come up here. And with the GDX, we've got an ABC up into the 1.0 extension, which is the count I went through at the weekend. I'm not convinced that that's all of the wave 4 in the GDX. I think it's the A wave of it, and we're going to get a BC. So again, no real clarity in GC till we either take these peaks out here or we start to accelerate down in this pattern on the 4-hour and hourly charts next. I'm not touching this thing at all until it gives me more clarity, and really I'm not really that interested in GC until we get down and hit this 1149 or lower next, to be honest. So I'll keep this on the 15-minute chart and keep an eye on it throughout the sessions, but I'm not planning on trading it intraday.